Hello and welcome back, guys. Today in this video we're going to see about CrossJoin. So CrossJoin is basically if we have two tables, table 1 and table 2, so in case of columns it will be added up. So it is a Cartesian product basically. So if we have two tables, table 1 and table 2, for in case of CrossJoin, the output table will have columns will be added. So in this case table 1 has one column and table 2 has another column. So in output table we will be having two columns. So in this case output table has two columns, and in case of rows it has three rows for both the table. So it will be multiplied. So 3 into 3, total 9. So as you can see we have 9 rows. So that is the multiplication in case of rows, and added up or addition will happen in case of columns. So we have two tables, table 1 and table 2, and both has 15 rows. So table 1 has 3 columns and table 1 has 1 column. So the output result will be the sum of both the tables. So columns will be 3 plus 1, 4, and in this case rows are there 15 rows for both the tables, so it will be 225 rows. So in case of rows it will be multiplied, and in case of columns it will be added up. Let me quickly show you the two different data sets, and we'll see how practically this works as Cartesian product. So we have first as garment example, second one has product examples. So let me quickly bring PBI and load these examples to show how practically this works. So I'll import both garment color and garment names. I'll click on garment color and click on transform data. I'll set first name as first row as header. So click close and apply. I'll quickly bring the next linked dataset, that is garment names. I'll go to the report, go to the home, and I'll import that garment names. I'll click on garment sheet, garment name sheet, and click on transform data. I'll use first row as header, click on close and apply. As you can see, let me show you first the data sets for both the table. As you can see, both has 8 rows, so multiplication will happen in case of rows, so it should bring 64 rows. So let me quickly write this as CrossJoin, and this CrossJoin based on the garment tables. So I'll write inside the bracket as garment, and since I'm doing the CrossJoin, so I'll write CrossJoin. I'll come to the next line, I'll write CrossJoin. I'll pass the table 1 as garment color and second table as garment names. I'll close the bracket and hit enter. So as you can see, it has 64 rows. As I stated earlier, it will be multiplication for rows, and columns was there for one single column for both the tables. So it will be added up, so it will do the sum. So that's the reason in output table it has two columns, and as you can see 8 into 8, it has 64 rows. So let me bring a new window, new PBI window, and let's see for another example, that is product. Let me quickly bring that product tables and I'll show you how it works. So I'll quickly load this product name, click on load, it will get loaded into the Power BI. And similarly I'll bring the another table related to the product, and that is product type, and I'll click on product type, click on load, click on transform data, and I'll click on use first row as header, and I'll click on close and apply. Let me show you the data first. As you can see, this is a product name and it has 3 columns with 15 rows. and product type has 15 rows with one column. So let me quickly click on new table. I'll write it as CrossJoin, and in this case it is for product. I'll come to the next line. I'll write CrossJoin. I'll pass both the table name, that is product name and product type, and I'll close the table, hit enter. As you can see, as expected, 225 rows were there, 15 into 15, 225, and 4 columns. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I'll see you with another new exciting video. Thank you, bye bye.